All right, so we still got this 2019 Q50. We just wrapped up our most starter that you guys are not allowed to do. We can. It's plug and play. Still got to wrap it up, though. But while I had it open, I wanted to show you take a glove box out. Not very hard at all. Some hidden screws, but I'll show you. This panel just pops off because this clips into the actual glove box itself. So you got that one right there. And nothing but screws. One right there. Where's the other one? Right there. I took them all out already. There. Those are the easy ones you can see. But there's one. Let's see if you can even see it. Yeah. I can try to focus. But you see him? All the way back there. I put an extension on top of an extension. Hey, my boots. There now. And my socks. Because that had to reach in there. And another one right here in the corner. And this one's sort of hidden as well. Right there. Right there. You see a little hole. That's where it goes. And then, just pull. This guy gets a little stuck. Let's see. Let's see if I do it with one-handed. Two-handed. Come on, baby. There you go. Sorry for making you dizzy. But that's it. And it's just clipped on just to help it go back in. I tried looking to see if I can get it without, because you got to get to the air filter. There's the air filter. So there's the air filter. But I tried popping the glove box down. It does look like there is a way, but I don't see it. I didn't want to break nothing. I figured, hey, you know what? Popping some screws out would be easier. You see, like there's a little latch right there, but you really can't get to it. This is black on black. This guy right here. But you really can't get to it, and you can't squeeze. I didn't want to squeeze hard enough to break the glove box. This is pretty solid. So some screws, I figured it'd be easier, because it looks like you could just get to the actual air filter. But you got to get this guy out of your way. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it. Share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thank you for watching.